when I came here first, I came from hospital here,
Right.
and I came to have a look at the place because I knew I'd have to come in maybe for respite
Yeah.
till I decide what I was going to do.
Yeah.
And I got to say, as soon as I came through that door, I liked it immediately.
It's lovely, isn't it?
It's beautiful, and I haven't been disappointed. Like, whereas I came in for respite, I knew
Yeah.
that I wouldn't be able to go back, not at my age,
Yeah. Yeah.
because I'd started to be prone to a few falls,
Yeah.
which I was very lucky. I always seemed to land on my back, so
Yeah.
I was all right until I had, I broke my femur. That was another fall.
Right.
So I knew I'd have to do something. So I thought I'd come in here
Yeah.
so that I could, to give me a chance to see how I would manage and that.
Yeah.
Well, as you see, I've got a stick there,
Yeah. Yeah.
and I know I'm still a bit unsteady sometimes. Mind, I do walk off sometimes and I forget that.
Yeah.
And I think, oh, crikey, well, I was all right then, I do think, But I knew after being here for a few months that I couldn't,
It was the right decision, basically.
Yeah, so I came here to look at it from the hospital, see?
Yeah.
Well, I didn't go anywhere else because I liked the place as soon as I stepped over that door.
So, do you take part in? I know they have lots of activities going
yes,
on here.
yeah.
Do you take part in those?
I'm doing more things now than I ever did.
Isn't it amazing?
Yeah.
What type of things do you do? Is it like arts and crafts or?
Well, we do different games,
Yeah.
and there's something to suit everybody, a lot of quizzes.
Yeah.
We'd even play bingo.
I like
So
a game of bingo
there's-
myself.
Yeah, so there are lots of things to suit. Some things suit people more than others, like these crosswords and that, and it. When I don't bother much with crosswords, but there are things to suit everybody, and everything that I can join in, I'm willing to join in.
Did you have any, I don't know, hobbies or pastimes you did before coming here that you feel you're now unable to do, would you say, or not?
Well, I tell you what I used to love, always, dancing.
Right. Yeah.
And but as for anything else, I didn't even to go much to bingo before I came here.
Yeah.
I used to do a little bit, but I didn't have my regular bingo nights or anything like that.
Yeah.
But no, there's, it's very good here, I must say, I will say now, with regards to food,
Yeah.
the food's all right, but we're old fogies, and we're the elderly, so we are used to sort of different foods then, the way it's made and different things, and it. So sometimes we think, oh, I wish we had that now, or I do this,
Yeah, you do it a bit differently.
But they're very good. It might be that we'd have in something that they would give you in the Ritz.
It's that type of place,
the way
isn't it?
perhaps as it's prepared.
Yeah.
But no, I've enjoyed my meal today. It's lovely.
That's good to hear.
Yes.
Good to hear. The last question I want to ask is, do you have a faith at all?
A faith.
A faith. Are you religious at all?
I
Did you
always
go to church?
chapel girl.
Right. Yeah.
But the church comes here once a fortnight because somebody every week,
Yeah.
and very nice. So I go to them.
Oh, nice.
Yes. I want to keep on doing as much as I can for myself.
Yeah.
When the
Absolutely.
time comes, isn't it? Well, I'm 94, isn't it? So.
What's the secret of your long life then?
I don't know.
All the dancing, surely.
Yeah, maybe.
Absolutely.